But to see it do its really big thing, we have to add something special called a catalyst. Everyone say catalyst. A catalyst just makes things go faster. So this stuff here, this is called potassium iodide, and it's normally a powder, but I've mixed it with some water to make sure it's really notable. Now, you guys up here, please don't move any closer, because you sometimes don't know where this is going to go. Hopefully not on me again. It's happened a couple times. So we're going to put this in here. We're going to see that reaction come out and go everywhere. But I want you to keep your eyes. We're going to do something else very scientific. We're going to observe. So above the stuff that comes out, you're going to see something else rising up. So you'll have to tell me what that is. Okay, are we ready? All right, here we go. In 5, 4, 3,
the PTO, we booked COSI to come out and see all of our kiddos, so they're going to see a live assembly of a bunch of science-y experiments. And actually, our Vice President Tara, she's seen them at a Lorraine County Fair and mentioned that she had seen them, and I thought, oh, let me look into that again, because I had previously looked into it and didn't find anything because of COVID and everything. They weren't doing it anymore, and then when I looked into it this year, they were back at it, so I booked them up. It was really easy, and we're excited.
Well, COSI on Wheels was a program that we did before COVID, where it was a mixture of an assembly program as well as some hands-on activities. We've sort of revived part of that for this after COVID period of just the full school assembly. So we have between 15 and 18 different science demonstrations we'll do for the kids, and try to teach them along the way. It is a little bit interactive with some volunteers coming up to help out, but mostly it's just a lot of big demonstrations. Well, COSI on Wheels got started all the way back in 1982, so it's been around for quite a long time. And that was very instrumental in our original building in Columbus. And just since then, it blew up from just a couple programs. All the way up to its height, it had 8 different traveling programs and about 22 different employees that were just doing that. And then it sort of scaled back just a little bit. And then post-COVID, it's really just me and a couple others that are out continuing the live show part. We have been getting creative with doing full school hands-on that are grade specific. So it's not necessarily something that the entire school gets to do each time we arrive, but we do focus it in on just a grade level at a time. We have done robotics, we've done virtual reality, we've done light and sound, we've done space. So we're expanding. Today is a whole lot of liquid nitrogen. We're going to launch some rockets, we're going to shrink some balloons, we're also going to do some chemistry with some Elements toothpaste, we'll do some physics where we talk about electricity and how roller coasters launch with our electromagnet that we have.